morning. Welcome.
Thank you so
Pleasure
much.
to meet you.
It's an honor.
Yes.
So we'll go to Cortina
Yes.
and then to Milan.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I like to.
All right.
These are the photographs that were taken when the artifacts came from the Vatican to Canada for the First Nations Inuit and Métis.
Mm.
And
Where are
these-
they brought to Montreal?
To Montreal, yes.
Montreal,
They arrived in Montreal.
Mm-hmm.
And it was a lot of these leaders who were very touched. And this
Mm.
is the kayak that came.
Okay, yeah.
It was built in the early 1900s.
Mm.
And
Very
that's
good.
that's another
That's,
that's
okay.
another photograph.
Very good.
And this is one of our leaders
Mhm.
explaining the kayak to one of the ministers in the
Mhm.
minister in the federal government. And she's an expert on identifying artifacts. So these are the Inuit artifacts.
Okay.
Yeah, and then some more. Yeah. This one just happened last week,
Mm.
and it was an event held, I must say.
Ah,
Yeah, very meaningful. Very meaningful.
beautiful. Thank you very
Kitchen at Rideau Hall. where
Ah.
And this is made from the maple trees, maple syrup.
Maple syrup?
Yeah.
Oh, wonderful.
It's,
Okay.
it's made from our
Yes.
grounds,
Ah, okay.
yes.
Very good. This is a reproduction, the Moses saved from the waters, and the baby Moses
Oh,
in the
yes,
basket
yes.
was saved, and representing it. It's a low relief in silver and then painted
Yes.
with enamels.
Oh, yes.
It's autographed. And,
Okay.
it's original edition. And this book is the pictorial album of the Apostolic Palace here, where you
Okay.
are.
Yeah.
But, this is where we are right now, in this
Okay,
library.
yes.
And many of the works of art as well as the architecture.
I'll sit and look through it for sure.
Okay.